Hi there, sixth graders. Mr. Kerr here, and we're going to be on week 8 this week. So, coming down here, week 8. Now, remember, this is the week that you'll have fall break starting on Thursday, I believe the 15th. So, really, the suggested schedule for this week is going to go Monday through Wednesday. Thursday is the first day for students with fall break. I will be available. It's a non-student contact day, so teachers will be available on Thursday if you have questions. But starting on Friday, including Saturday and Sunday fall break, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, teachers will not be available. So if you have any questions, please try to get them asked and answered Monday through Wednesday. Thursday will work too. We're going to continue talking about the Incas this week. You have a vocab assignment, a discussion board, and of course the quiz, which actually I should put the quiz up to the beginning of the week so that you take it. Remember, quizzes take on Monday as a pre-test. It's worth very few points. Just take it. Take notes on all the questions. Just do your best. Don't worry about what score you get. It's worth very few points. Then at the end of the week, I will open it back up. You should have done all the other assignments and gone through all the other pages by then. And then you take the quiz again for 100%. You got the questions on Monday. You took notes on everything. You completed all the information. You should get 100% when you take it again at the end of the week. All right. Simple and easy for this week. Let me know if you have any questions. And again, fall break, try and get everything in and done Monday through Wednesday. But as usual, your final, everything will be due Sunday at midnight. All right. Hope everything is well. Take care and goodbye.